This video will show you how to make your own Mariotte bottle. First, we'll go over the materials that you need to make a simple Mariotte bottle, and then we'll explain you how it works. As for the materials, you'll need an empty water, juice, or soda bottle, a long straw, a tack, and some oven baked clay. What is a Mariotte bottle? It is a device that delivers a constant rate of flow. The flow rate depends on the elevation difference between the air inlet tube and the discharge tube. This difference is illustrated as distance h in the figure. You can calibrate the bottle to set the different flow rates associated with different elevation differences. This part of the Mariotte bottle must be airtight, and air should only enter into the Mariotte bottle through the air inlet tube. Here are the steps to make your Mariotte bottle. Before we begin, we ask you to be safe and find a responsible adult that can help you. First, you need to create a hole in the lid of the bottle. You may use a drill or a hammer and a nail to open the hole. A screwdriver with diameter similar to that of the straw might be useful to open the hole just enough for the straw to go through. Second, you must insert the straw through the hole on the bottle's cap and put the cap on the bottle. If the hole is slightly wider, fill the gaps with the oven baked clay. This needs to be airtight. As we said before, air may only come into the bottle through the top of the straw. Finally, using a tack, open a small hole close to the bottom of the bottle on one of its sides. Summarizing, these are the steps that you need to take to make your own Mariotte bottle. Puncture a hole on the bottle cap, insert the straw into the hole of the bottle and make sure it's airtight. If necessary, use clay to cover gaps, and using a tack, open a small hole close to the bottom of the bottle on one of its sides. Now that you have your Mariotte bottle, you need to learn how it works. So we're going to go from left to right in this diagram, and we're going to use this notation. HA is the air inlet tube level, H0 is the flow opening level, and H1, 2, and 3 indicate head differences. So here on the left, the level of the air inlet tube is below H0. Therefore, there will be no flow coming out of the bottle because the air inlet is located below the flow opening level. If, however, you raise the air inlet tube or the straw, in the case of the bottle that you just made, you'll have enough head difference here to create some flow. In order to increase the flow, just raise the straw a little bit higher, making this head difference bigger, and you'll be getting more flow. The Mariotte bottle can be made to any size. It can be as big or as small as you wish, or as big or as small as you need it to be, depending on the experiment you want to run. Here we show a Mariotte bottle made from a 5-gallon water jug. It has the exact same parts that we described for the small bottle. It has the air inlet tube, for which we used a 1/2-inch PVC pipe. We used clay to make sure that it was airtight, and we used a flow discharge tube. For that, we used a rubber hose. This video was recorded at the Vented Chow Hydrosystems Laboratory of the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. It was made thanks to funding provided by the U.S. National Science Foundation and thanks to the help of Morgan Goodwin, Jacqueline Dahm, and John Behrens. Thanks for watching.